Well, you want to see if you can go 0 for 2 and start the tractor? He already couldn't start the 756 today, so...
Hey, I got it. It's the same fucking story as the Kubota. It starts and then it dies on
He
you.
killed it.
They're on strike or something. I don't know.
Yeah.
Everybody around this fucking place is on strike but you.
Fuck this old arm. Alright, I'll start it for you.
Oh, I thought your tractor was the other one.
No. We gotta put pallet forks on this one.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, see? Oh, glow plug's timed out right away. That's a good-ish sign. It's fucking mint. Okay. Didn't die though.
Oh, don't speak so soon. Yes!
Let's try this again. Fuck's sake.
She don't like you either.
Gotta crack a fuel line somewhere. Pretty much guarantee it, because I can reach in here and pump the fuel pump. You don't even have to do that. I can reach up in there. Yeah. Fuel system loses prime. Pump the primer on top of the fuel filter. Let her rip, tater chip. Welcome to the Rick Bork channel, where the BO's always cold, which fucking sucks. My shit's always broken, and your opinion still doesn't matter. Now we gotta see if we can get the other tractor started. Wood stove check. 159. Hey, at least that's working, eh? Look at the firewood supplies. Just bountiful around here. Anyway. So yeah, at some point I gotta go through the fuel lines on that and figure out where they're leaking. Because they're not leaking enough to be running all over the place, so it's gotta be draining back. Something's going on there. Because once you prime that fuel filter and get the air out from the other side of it, she starts right up, so. It's for another day. This one was running earlier, so. Still is funny how it cranks faster than it idles, but. So, we gotta process all this today, because otherwise it's gonna get cold. This is the one that kind of tried to start 756 this morning. It started, and then he unchoked it too fast. So, we'll see if we can get her going. even popping. Now we're gonna have to get some tools, pull a spark plug out, and see if we got fuel or no fuel. I think it's either 13/16 or 7/8 if you want to grab that. Ratchet to 3/8 extension. So we're gonna start at the basics on this and pull a spark plug, see if they're wet or dry, and then we'll figure out our starting approach from there, whether we need to give her more choke, less choke, or throw a set of spark plugs in it because they're too wet, because I do have a spare set down in the garage, I think. It's getting slick out here today. I almost biffed her on that. We'll get the plugs out of it, or a plug out of it, see what's going on. Ew. Ooh. I don't know if that's gonna spark very good at all. Fuck me. No wonder she starts hard. Oh no, a bit. She's pretty much closed up with oil. I guess it's time for a set of spark plugs. I do believe. Yes, sir. That looks a little bit better, huh? She might actually do something with that, so. Perfect. Connor's gonna make video of putting spark plugs in on his channel, because I'm gonna go do other shit, so. And look, beef. That's what's for dinner. And yes, for those of you that are going to wonder, we had some beef hanging. Now it's got to thaw a little bit, and we'll cut it up, because it's tasty. So right now, because we're so far away from the stove, I'm just bucking these things into lengths, and then I'm gonna take the excavator and shuttle them over there in clamfuls. Otherwise I could put the pallet forks on and drop them on the pallet forks and bring them over there, but it's kind of 6 of one, half a dozen of the other. The Kubota's running, so I can put the pallet forks on and unload the garden tractor out of the back of his truck. So that's something for you guys to go over there and check out at some point when he gets the thing in his shop and gets it running. So yeah, I'm gonna get these processed, cut up, moved. We got a lot to do today, so let's get it. Well, the track splice is still holding up nice, but it looks like we're starting to have a failure on this other side, so new track is on order because it's going to take me a couple, 10 or 14 days to get it, but whatever. Well, Connor says the old 756 still don't pop after a new set of spark plugs, so I'm going to throw one of these old ones in there and see if she's got any fire. Yeah, or she's not getting fuel. Does have fuel in it, right? Ah.
Oh, I see some shiny in there.
There's fuel in the bowl. So, should have some to the carb, unless the float's stuck. Let's see where we can anchor this fucking spark plug wire. I am not holding on to this bastard, I can tell you that, because fuck, that one's not. That one's probably not where the fuck. Try this one. Hang on. Anchor. Okay. You got smart. Yeah. So we clean our hands around here. Okay. Round to the other side. We got fire, we must not have fuel. See here. I had to put that new boot down there last year. The plow day, but that shouldn't be a problem. Maybe our fuel cutoff is not working. Cycle key. It's clicking. Okay. Pull a choke. That should be working. Here we're full choke, not full throttle. Back that throttle down to about where that hole is.
Okay, that's right there.
Okay. Full choke. Give her the shit. And you know, somebody really parked this in the fucking snowbank, didn't they? Okay. And here. Okay. Looking for a flat screwdriver, and you think I'd probably have one in here? Fuck no. I really gotta finish building out this surge spot. Phillips. 2 Phillips screwdrivers, no flat screwdriver. Good job, Rick. I want to give her a little whiff of the Cosby and see if she'll pop on that. I got a feeling we're not getting fuel for some reason. Should be, but it ain't, because those spark plugs weren't that wet either. So I'm gonna tap on the bowl just a little bit, lightly. See if we get fuel going in there. I'm thinking that's my issue, but try it again. Fuel cutoff was stuck. Needed that set of spark plugs anyway, but just by looking at them, so we got her. Ain't no thing, but just another fucking day in my world. So that old fucking cold-blooded bitch just gotta sit there and run for a while, because it's just fact. So maybe about half choke. Oh, you go park old blue. Cosby sauce. Can't go that way, can I? Fuck. Excavator's in the way. Oh, we can go this way. Connor's gonna be using the 756 to move them, so you guys stay tuned and go over and check out his channel if you haven't. For all that shit. I got plenty of other stuff to do, so. Are you kidding me? 4x4 straight pipe roar. wondering where that was. Look at the mess. This snowbank here in the next couple of days has got to get moved. There's these barrels underneath it. We got to dig those out. I was hoping to get to that today. I don't think that's going to happen, but some things are thawing out around here pretty fast. It looks like Wednesday, I think, is 100% chance of rain. Looks like we could get some significant rain. And then Thursday's 80% chance of snow. So that should be dumb. Connor is shuttling bales up there at 756, as you've probably figured out by now. I got a pretty decent little stack of wood here. A little stack. And this weather, that'll last quite a while, but I'm gonna shut this thing off for the moment. Oof, it's warm in there. I was tipping bales over for Connor so he could get to him with the bale spear a little bit easier. And he got stuck up there on the hill. There's a slight incline and everything's getting so slick right now that he couldn't back himself up. So I went down there and I left the excavator there for the moment to see how that goes. I got most of this. Cut up a couple of sticks, another jawful on the excavator, and then throw the rest of this in there. I gotta get the wood chipper out here shortly and get all that chipped up. But what I did is I took some of this is hay and some of it's straw. Most of the stuff that's standing up is still straw, so I wanted him to put that down there first, and then we'll get the straw hauled down there and stacked as well. But we'll see how long the rest of this takes. He's pretty good at not squaring up with his bales when he goes into them. He's always got it just a little bit off, and that just makes, when you're stacking them, that makes everything a little bit off, but he'll figure it out eventually, especially when the haystack falls over. But live and learn. Always young guns too. So I gotta go get some more things set up for butchering, and that's gonna be my evening. I'll try to grab some video for the members page, so if you don't have a membership, consider grabbing one. And they're $5, $10, or $25 a month, whichever you would feel like donating. You all get to watch the same thing, so just helps a guy out a little bit more if you spend a little more money. 157 on that wood stove. A little after 2 o'clock, so beautiful day. I hate to have to go inside, but that's part of responsibilities. I gotta get that meat cut up so I can get on to all my other chores for this week, all my other jobs. So that snow finally come off the roof over here. We had, oh yeah, we had about a 2 or 3 foot overhang that finally came off there. So yeah, apparently my simple truss works pretty good. We've seen a lot of sheds that came down recently around here from all this ice and snow weight. So yeah, I probably should have been proactive and went up there and cleaned that one off, but you can see like that one doesn't have much on it. That one's just got that little bit on the edge, so we don't get too much buildup around here for the most part because we have so much wind. The house might have 8 inches on it, I suppose, to a point. It kind of flattens out and gets less as you go toward the ridge. So anyway, that might be changing in the near future. If you'd like to know more, go over and grab a membership. I'll bring you guys back when we find something else to do around here.